What are examples of corporate culture? Have you ever wondered what really shapes the environment in a workplace? Corporate culture plays a huge role in how employees feel and perform. Let's look at some examples to understand this better. From the perspective of cultural anthropology, corporate culture is all about the shared values, beliefs, and practices within a company. These elements create a unique social environment. For instance, the way employees interact, the norms that guide their behavior, and the symbols that, representing the organization, all contribute to its culture. One example of corporate culture is the emphasis on shared values. Companies often have core principles that guide decision-making. For example, a business might focus on innovation, teamwork, or customer satisfaction. These values help shape how employees approach their work and interact with one another. Beliefs and assumptions also play a big part. These are the underlying ideas that influence how employees view their roles and the organization. They can affect attitudes toward work and the company's mission. For instance, if a company believes in continuous improvement, employees may feel encouraged to suggest new ideas and improvements. Language and communication are key components of corporate culture. The way employees talk to each other, whether formally or informally, shapes the workplace environment. This includes the specific jargon or slang used, as well as the overall tone of conversations. Rituals and symbols are also important. Companies often have annual events or team-building activities that reinforce their culture. Symbols like logos or uniforms can visually representing the company's identity and values. Now, let's consider practical applications in labor and employment practices. Understanding corporate culture can help managers create policies that boost employee engagement. For instance, recognizing teamwork can strengthen a collaborative culture. Conflict resolution is another area where cultural understanding is beneficial. Identifying cultural differences can help address misunderstandings that lead to conflicts. By implementing culturally sensitive policies, companies can improve workplace harmony. Innovation is often driven by a culture that encourages experimentation. In fast-paced industries, being adaptable is essential. A culture that allows employees to learn from failures can lead to new ideas and solutions. Diversity and inclusion are also vital aspects of corporate culture. By valuing cultural differences, companies can create a more inclusive environment. This approach can improve retention and attract diverse talent. Let's look at some real-world examples. Google is known for its collaborative culture, with open workspaces that promote teamwork and creativity. Patagonia focuses on environmental responsibility, which is a core part of its culture, influencing everything from product design to employee benefits. Herman Miller is another great example. The company designs office spaces that reflected values of collaboration and comfort, showing how anthropology can inform corporate practices. These examples illustrate how corporate culture shapes the workplace. By understanding these elements, companies can create environments that align with their values and goals.